Hi everyone, Raymond Chu, Co-Banker Global Luxury, featuring today one of our black tie listings located on this corner premium lot. It's this beautiful home. Just take a look at this kitchen. It also has a main level bedroom or an office. There's also four spacious bedrooms and 3 full washrooms on the second floor. Over 3,000 square feet of pure living opulence. This home will not disappoint. This is 643 Vivera Place, and welcome to our tour.